Assalamu alaikum guys, in this video we'll talk about one-to-many polymorphic relationships in Laravel, and in the previous video I strongly recommend to watch it quickly. I talked generally about polymorphic relationships and specifically about the one-to-one. In this video we'll talk about one-to-many relationships in polymorphic way. So as we can see here, I have imageable model or images table, and I have imageable type and imageable ID and the path for images. And here is our case. For example, users and posts may have multiple images, but comments and video will have only one thumbnail image, and comments also, the comment like in the Facebook has only one image. So let's mix them together. As we can see, I have my image model and this is a morph model, and I will create function imageable, and I will say return this morph2, and the name, as we can see, imageable and imageable here, underscore ID and underscore type, I will say imageable. And for user will have one image, so I will say function return this morph1, and I will say image class, and the name is here imageable. And for posts it will be morph mini, so I will say here function images, right? And I will say return this morph mini has mini polymorphic, will be image class and imageable underscore type underscore ID column name here. Now let's create it for user. For example, here I have the user and the user image create path, and I will name it, for example, user.jpg. Before that, in app service provider, I will disable this enforce morph map. And if I back and refresh, I have a small error here. Okay, so I will remove extra A, refresh, and now we have image here for user. Let's back and run it in Tinker. User first image, return user image. Let's make it for posts, and I will say post here, and again post, but images, because our method name here is images morph mini, and we can create multiple images for post. For example, 1, refresh, created successfully, 2, 3, and so on. So here we have 3 images for post, right? Let's rename it to just for 3. And if we open Tinker again, and I will say post first and images, we can see here images, 3 images come for morph mini relationship. We can also apply the of many relationships like has many relationships. For example, here I can say get latest image for a post. So we can say function latest image, and we can say return this, instead of has one morph 1, again image class and imageable, copy paste, and we can say latest of many, get the latest image for a post. So if I back and open Tinker again for post, for the first post, I will say latest image here. As we can see, latest image is 3, this one, right? So here's quickly how to use and define morph mini relationship. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share and subscribe. See you next videos.